In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Clarity Setup Tutorial Shopify. By the end, you'll have the Microsoft Clarity app installed in your Shopify store, so you can start seeing session recordings, heat maps, and insights that help you understand how shoppers actually use your site. First, open your Shopify admin and sign in. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct store, then head to the Home area so you're starting from a familiar dashboard. From there, go to the Apps section. This is where we'll find and add Microsoft Clarity. Inside Apps, use the search field and type Microsoft Clarity. You may see suggestions appear as you type. Select the Microsoft option in the results to jump to the app listing. If your screen highlights certain parts of the page as you go, just follow those visual cues. They're pointing you to the right links and buttons. You'll land on the Microsoft Clarity AI Insights listing in the Shopify App Store. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the official app, then move forward by clicking the main call to action to continue. If you see multiple highlighted prompts or confirmations on this page, click through them in order until you reach the Install option. Next, click Install. Shopify will bring up a confirmation screen showing what the app can access. Review the permissions so you know what you're approving, and then click Install again to finalize. This is the step that actually adds clarity to your store. After installation completes, you'll be taken into the app inside your Shopify admin. Here, the interface may highlight helpful features and guidance. Look for the section that mentions boosting customer sales with Clarity brand agents, an AI shopping assistant that represents your brand, and click Learn More. On the following view, click the same Learn More prompt again to open the full details. This gives you context on how Clarity's AI features can support your shoppers and where to explore them further inside the app. A few quick tips to wrap up. If the app search doesn't appear for you, try accessing the Shopify App Store from your admin and searching for Microsoft Clarity there. The process is the same. If you encounter permission prompts, approve them to proceed. After install, give Clarity a little time to start collecting data. You can visit your own storefront to generate a few visits, and then come back to the app to see initial session recordings and heat maps populate. That's it! Your Shopify store now has Microsoft Clarity installed, and you're ready to turn real user behavior into actionable insights.